To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Namaskar, I'm Harsha Sharma and you're watching SciTech, a show where we unravel the science behind everything. A good news for those born blind. A new scientific technique promises to bring sight to their life. What is this technique and how will it cure blindness by birth? Let's watch in this upcoming video.
Mountains, sea, stars, sky. Isn't nature magnificent? But what is more magnificent are our pair of eyes, which allows us to see this beautiful world around us. Eyes. They are our gateway to the outer world. Unfortunately, the children who are born blind are unable to see this beautiful world of ours. Scientists around the world have been working to come up with the treatment for congenital blindness or blindness by birth. Early this year, Japanese scientists achieved a breakthrough in this regard. They were able to restore the vision in mice mutants who were blind due to faulty photoreceptors. This was done using a technique called gene therapy. But what is this technique and how does it work? Essentially, all the functions in the body occur through the proteins which are encoded by genes. When these genes are defective, the proteins that are produced are also faulty and are unable to perform the normal function. While a lot of genes are involved in creating a vision, the mice had faulty photoreceptors. Therefore, Japanese scientists worked to correct the faulty photoreceptors in mice. The scientists basically replaced the faulty part of the gene with the healthy one, so that the normal protein could be produced and normal function of the protein in vision can be restored. This way, the scientists were able to restore vision of mice. The application of gene therapy is not restricted to curing blindness, but its application could be in treating a myriad of other health problems.
Time to wrap up this episode of SciTech. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. Before we end, here's a fact of the day for you.
Eyes are considered to be our most important sense. The eye delivers 80% of the information we need to perceive the world. And it takes precedence over all other senses.